Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at Dr. Pimple Popper removing whiteheads. Remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on those post notifications. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. A whitehead is a type of acne that forms when dead skin cells, oil, and bacteria become trapped within one of your pores. Whiteheads can be annoying, and they may seem to develop at the worst times. Sandra Pinley, also known as Dr. Pimple Popper, is an American dermatologist and YouTuber based in Upland, California. She is known for her online videos and her TV series, Dr. Pimple Popper. Number 1. In this first clip, a patient has a lot of whiteheads. Dr. Pimple Popper then removes all of them using a small tool that has a hole in the middle, so that when she presses down on the skin, the excess juice comes out. The real name for them is milia. It is a long, tedious procedure that can leave scars, but because Dr. Lee is very experienced, normally the marks go away within a couple of days. Number 2. For the second clip, the patient has quite a large whitehead, and when Dr. Pimple Popper presses on the spot, a large amount of juice or gunk is released from the spot. When removing a whitehead like this, sometimes it will bleed where the doctor has slightly cut open the skin. This allows the gunk to be released when pressed on with the tool used. Normally, whiteheads are on the cheek of the patient, however, in the next clip it is quite different.
We're gonna treat some of these up here on your forehead, these blackheads here, okay? So I'm just gonna put a little pressure on you. Let me just try.
Number 3. As I said previously, whiteheads are usually on the cheek of the patient. However, with this patient, the whitehead is on his forehead. This patient has one large whitehead and a lot of small blackheads. Firstly, Dr. Pimple Popper tries to remove the blackheads by pushing on them with the small tool. They don't really come out, however. Dr. Lee tries her best to remove them as best as possible. With a lot of operations, a numbing cream or substance is used so the patient doesn't feel the area that is being operated on. However, with the blackheads, it is basically pointless to numb the area as they are spaced out on the skin and are very small anyway.
For everybody there.
Number 4. So for this next one, the patient has a small area which is filled with tiny whiteheads. Dr. Pimple Popper slowly removes them all. Again, she uses this tool, which does such a good job in getting all of the juice out. It is so important all of it comes out because if it doesn't, it means there is a possibility that the whitehead could reform and regrow, which nobody wants. It is just under his eye, which can be very irritable. Dr. Lee tries removing all of the whiteheads, but because of how close they are to each other, they do end up bleeding. It's like when you pop a spot yourself, sometimes it can start bleeding. Dr. Lee gets every little whitehead on this man's face, which will be very relieving for the patient. The patient is fairly old, so I can imagine he's had these spots for quite a while now. Dr. Lee does an amazing job when removing whiteheads and at anything she does, to be fair. Dr. Lee is a board-certified dermatologist and a member of the American Academy of Dermatology, the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery, and the American Society for Mohs Surgery. It all started in 2010 when Lee began uploading videos to YouTube but did not begin to heavily post content until 2015 after she noticed the popularity of her Instagram videos of skin extractions. In exchange for written client permission to record and post content, Dr. Lee offers patients discounted or free treatment. In late 2019, the decision to make future content subscription-based drew criticism. She explained that it was caused by YouTube having blocked advertising in the channel's videos that usually featured unsightly material and thus, the channel needing another source of funding. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video! Remember, if you did enjoy this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on those post notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.